There are three types of airlines that we typically encounter in the commercial aviation industry. Whilst each airline is slightly different, airlines will typically fit into one of the following categories. The first category is the scheduled airline. A scheduled airline is an airline that works to a specific schedule. Just like a bus, a scheduled airline will work to a timetable. Seats will be sold to passengers and the flight should operate as planned regardless of how many seats are sold. Of course, there are always circumstances when a flight might be cancelled or when schedules might be changed, but as a general rule, this type of airline will operate as planned. Many scheduled airlines are national carriers that represent a particular country. They may be private organisations or they may be owned by the government. Scheduled airlines traditionally provide an inclusive package that includes a seat, baggage and meals. Although in recent years, many airlines have been unbundling their products, selling each of these elements separately. Scheduled airlines are often also referred to as full-service carriers. Examples of scheduled airlines include British Airways, Air India, Virgin Atlantic, and United Airlines. The second type of airline is a charter airline. A charter airline is an airline that works on an ad hoc basis. A bit like a taxi service, charter airlines only operate when they are required. As such, if there is not the demand to warrant the flight operating, the flight will not take off. Charter airlines will often change flight times or change the number of flights that they operate based on demand. The more people that want to take the flight, the more flights that they will likely operate, and vice versa. Charter airlines are often associated with holiday companies. Some tour operators own charter airlines. Many people who book a package holiday will travel to their destination via a charter airline. Charter airlines may require passengers to pay extra for food and baggage. Examples of charter airlines include TUI and Jet2. The third type of airline is the budget airline. Budget airlines, also commonly known as low-cost airlines, low-cost carriers, or no-frills airlines, are airlines that operate on a budget. A budget airline will typically sell seats for lower prices than scheduled or charter airlines. However, these seats often have less legroom and are less comfortable. Budget airlines make their money by selling ancillary products to passengers. This includes anything in addition to the seat, such as extra legroom, baggage, in-flight entertainment, insurance, in-destination excursions, credit card fees, and more. Budget airlines have grown considerably in the past couple of decades, and they have revolutionised the aviation industry. Budget airlines are some of the most profitable types of airline. Examples of budget airlines include Ryanair, EasyJet, Wizz Air, and Southwest Airlines. As you can see, these three types of airlines make up the commercial aviation industry.